Hi, I'm Monica Phillips. I represent Therapeutic Massage Program here at Gaston College. I'm really excited to share with you what we have to offer. We do have cohorts in the daytime as well as the evening. It's a wonderful career if you like to help people. It's very rewarding. You can finish this program in 1 year. You do have to be a licensed massage therapist to practice massage in the state of North Carolina. The best thing about going to massage school is receiving the massages. I'd love to tell you more about our program. We will be starting new cohorts for daytime and evening in January of 2021. And if you'd like to contact me, you can, of course, hit the button and send me your email. My email is Phillips, that's with 2 L's, .monica@gaston.edu. I really look forward to hearing from you and telling you about this wonderful opportunity that we have for you at Gaston College. You have a blessed day.